Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making this very delicious palm oil rice with a twist. Guys, this is not your regular palm oil rice. This recipe is a banger, trust me. So guys, let's get started. So first I'll be going in with my palm oil. This is palm oil rice, so palm oil is very important. And guys, we are not bleaching our palm oil, okay? So I added my chopped onion, iru, also known as locust beans. If you don't like iru, you can actually skip, okay? If you know you don't like iru in your food, please skip this part. Your palm oil rice will still come out very good and delicious. So I added pounded crayfish. I don't know why, but I love to pound my crayfish when I'm making palm oil rice. And the next thing I added after the pounded crayfish was ginger and garlic paste. And then I added my roughly blended peppers, which are tatashe, shombo and atarodo. And lastly, I added my seasoning powder and salt. So I'll just stir, then cover to fry. I want the water from the pepper to dry up, so I'll just leave this for about 5 to 7 minutes, okay? So please give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Biko, subscribe, like, comment and share, okay? Thank you. So 5 minutes later, let's check if our sauce is ready. And guys, our sauce is well fried. This is just what we want. So I'll be going in with my thoroughly washed rice. When I say thoroughly washed, I wash this rice with both hot and cold water. So you have to make sure your rice is thoroughly washed, okay? So next, I'm frying my rice, and guys, this is the banger. This is the real deal. This recipe is just out of this planet, trust me. I never knew palm oil rice can be this good, can be this delicious. This rice is also known as native rice or village rice. So guys, I'll be doing this for about 20 minutes and on a low heat. So guys, our palm oil rice is well fried, and I'll be going in with enough water to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. This doesn't take long to cook. This is one very quick recipe you can make for your family or friends, okay?